is the rock star of the show. So if you guys are looking for, have you guys seen these? These are the makeup brush holders at Dollar Tree. Yes, these are $1.25. Now, they don't only have this one, they have two others. Check this out. They also have the hearts one. Love it. And then they also have this one as well. These are movie groovy. When I tell you, oh, I'm so stoked right now. Hey, Dollar Tree, they have the Harrys. I brought Harrys like, what was it, over a year ago? But Dollar Tree has more in stock. This is about $15 doll faces. Okay, this is the scalp scrub, and when I tell you, oh my goodness, it smell and feels so amazing. This is $1.25. Did I say that they want like $15 for Harry's? Another amazing item is this. So this is a power stick face and body shave gel, no foam, clear glide formula, softens and protects with argan oil and jojoba oil. Yes. And this is the rock star of the show. It is Sisters. Okay, so if you guys don't know, this is a name brand. I feel like I'm so in Target right now. This is the hair elixir oil, wellness and therapy. This is a clean solution for your scalp and for your hair and scalp. $1.25. For Twisted Sisters, they go about like $15. Now, I don't know how much this one goes for, but I know it's a name brand and it's normally like $15. Okay, we're moving and grooving. So, it's that time of year again, and look at these cute silicone oven mitts. These are gorgeous, might I add. They come in 3 different colors. They have the blue. They also have this gorgeous pink. Love it. And if yellow is your thing, like a chicken wing, Dollar Tree also have the yellow. Really movie groovy. Okay, gorgeous folks, are you ready? Are you ready for Easter? Now, Dollar Tree has this setup for Peeps egg containers. Love this. This is really movie groovy. Yes. Now, if you guys are looking for some bunny baskets that's on steroids, honey, this is your cup of tea, okay? I mean, they bigger than I don't know what. This is the biggest bunny baskets I have ever seen. Easter baskets, $10. Honey, you can fit a whole newborn baby up in here. Honey, don't put a newborn baby up in here, okay? You know, I can only give you the fancy, mancy items, right? That's all I can do. Check this out. I was so shocked. So Dollar Tree has the LED bubble wand. What? You see the OG, the rabbit, definitely understood the assignment. Definitely. Okay. These are $5. They got the chickadee chick, the rabbit with the glasses. He's just movie groovy. Movie groovy. If you guys are looking for Easter baskets, Dollar Tree definitely has them. Some place, okay, those are $7. Love that. Okay, so if you guys looking for a doopity-doo, and Dollar Tree has these cosmetic. This is $1.25. This is cute, chic, fancy. Now, Dollar Tree also have these intimate dual-sided compact mirrors. Oh, yes, child. New items at Dollar Tree. Look at this. Hydrating acai berry hyaluronic acid. It has the little bottle in here for all skin types. They also have the Rejuvenate and Jelly Face Mask, green tea, and glycolic acid. And what about the jelly cactus water plus pear jelly face shoe serum? Oh, yes. You looking for an pool? Okay. Not Dollar Tree selling it. So Dollar Tree has the Softy. This is damage preventing detoxifying shampoo. They also have the Hydrate and Nourishing Conditioner shampoo. And they also have the Honey Lavender shampoo. Yes! Or you Sheen anyone? Okay. This item had went viral. Okay. The girls loved it. It's this. This is the hair milk. Bobby Pure, $1.25. Doopity doop. Could we say doopity doop? Because it is. Tell you they definitely understood the assignment. This Dollar Tree, like, hands down, they understood. So they have these wind chimes. Look at the beehive. It's the beehive for me. But not only are they just any ordinary wind chimes, honey, they solar wind chimes. Okay, how you like that? Looky, cookie. Now, look at this. Absolutely gorgeous, if I may say so myself. They also have the, you want to rumble with the bee, huh? Okay, all right. Now, they also have these as well, the ladybugs, the bird. They also have these butterflies, really cute. Now, I mean, it can't get no fancier than this. Dollar Tree has these cups over here. Start your growing adventure. Look at this strawberry tomatoes. They have sunflowers. Now, this kind of threw me in a loop. Okay, Dollar Tree said, listen, we create our own around here. Look at the fancy water bottles. Creativity is on a trillion. They also have these glass bottles. I love this. This is giving me fancy out of McFanciest. This is giving me don't touch my guard. And this is giving me I definitely have that green thumb. If you guys looking for a body wash that smells amazing, it is definitely the Peel Good Orange. This one smells okay, but this one definitely smells good. Peace family, so if you guys are looking for Valentine's Day candy, these are so cute. Have you guys seen this? So this is the Krabby Patty Minis at Dollar Tree. These are $1.50. Look at the little Krabby Patties. Excellent. They also have the lip pops as well. Check this out, huh? So they have the lip pops, lollipop, candy. Okay, individually wrapped is a 4-pack, $1.50. They also have this chocolate heart tubes as well. The Reese's they have. Honey, Dollar Tree is out here moving, grooving. So I know some of you guys have been looking for the Guru Nada Basics Pro Formula Whitening Gel Pen. Dollar Tree has started putting them out again. These are $1.25. I did use these about 3 times. Pretty good in my opinion. It's convenient, whitening, works quickly. It says off the go use. Really amazing. So you a fancy girl. Listen to this. Dollar Tree has the boba milk tea lip gloss. Oh yes, this one is peach scented. They also have the matcha. Oh yes, honey. And if you like Dina, I'm like a strawberry type of gal. Okay, Dollar Tree got you. Bold gloss. Oh, this is fancy. All right, my loves, if you guys are looking for storage containers, Dollar Tree is definitely in a place to be. This sturdy storage container, this is $1.50. This is plexiglass, okay, really amazing. And then they also have the top that goes with it, likes this. Now, if you guys are looking for glass food containers, Dollar Tree definitely isn't a place to be. Microwavable, dishwasher, and freezer safe. These are $1.50, and they come in 2 different sizes. Love this. These are so gorgeous. So these are the metal leaners. Now, they come in different styles. These are pretty much the styles that they come in. These are $3. Absolutely fantastic.